It's a hidden sanctuary. Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, and Mark, it feels like a hideout.
Yeah,
sa tingin
actually,
mo?
it's a hideout for the owner, yung itong nasa likod natin.
Yes.
And at the same time, napaka-peaceful dito.
So actually, this property right here is parang one-stop shop. So behind it, meron tayong apartment for rent.
Yes.
And then dito sa door na to, yeah, so meron tayong cafe and a studio. So we're gonna, give you more details about this business. And if you want to know more, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara,
Let's go! So this is what's inside dito sa 212 Studio Hub Plus Coffee.
So meron sila ditong mini studio for siguro sa mga mahiling mag-photoshoot or sa mga photographer na naghahanap ng mga studio indoor. So pwede silang i-avail dito.
Exactly. At the same time, meron tayong in-house creative dito, and if you want to, hire their talent, pwede naman po sila dito. At the same time, yan, meron tayong mga coffees dito, brother.
Yes.
It's a hideout, no? Parang hidden sanctuary siya if you want to, pang muni-muni on your own. Okay, so we're gonna talk to the owner. Of course, we're gonna ask her and explain some information about this business kasi meron tayong apartment sa likod. It's very interesting for those who are near the ONA or inside vicinity ng Angeles City. If you're looking for a loft, a place, that's a great option for you guys to check out. Alright, so once again, thanks so much for being with us in this video, in this vlog. Napaka-untypical na ginawa natin ngayon because very seldom that we're featuring properties. Although we have been featuring some real estate developments, pero this one is very untypical para sa atin. What can you say, Mark?
So meron siyang apartment, at the same time sa harap niya meron siyang place to chill out, para coffee place niya. So this is the Founders Plaza and apartment dito sa may Pampang, Angeles City.
Yes. So what a great way to explain yung property natin dito. Syempre kasama natin si Ma'am May.
The name the Founders Plaza apartment is dedicated for my father, since everything here was founded by me. So yun yung concept talaga ng Buko.
Wow.
Gusto ko na impression niya kasi gusto ko naman something na me time. Or minsan pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng friendship dito just by staying here. Kasi the place is small, here the studio. Ngayon parang kapag pumunta yung customer, wala kayong choice kundi mag-usap. Okay sa akin kasi yun yung gusto kong branding yung place.
Yung nasa facade niya is our cafe studio, and then behind it is
the apartment.
The apartment, okay?
The apartment kasi is a family dream. Sa amin nung mom and dad ko. Ngayon, siguro law of attraction and God's blessing, bigla namin siya napatayo.
Wow.
So, yun. Minmaximize namin yung pwede namin i-maximize sa design. Na 5 unit siya. So, yung harap is for me, for my studio, my passion, and everything about me. Actually,
everything about you is this place.
Yan. The invitation, the photo studio, tapos yan, coffee shop for my friends talaga and family. Something to stay.
So, yung apartment natin, Mang, sabi mo kanina, it has 4 rooms.
Kasi studio type room naman sila. Ngayon, para maging different, what differs it from the other apartment or Airbnb is that fully furnished siya somehow, and at the same time, may kanya-kanyang theme. Yung mga rooms. So, the first unit, which is the JVR, Scandinavian, yung theme ng design niya. Most likely, yung mga pumupunta dito, sabi nila, parang pumasok ako sa Pinterest. Sabi nila yung gano'n. Tapos yung second unit naman, the TMY, is the smallest, the 19 square meter unit. Ngayon, siya, Muji theme. Yun, Japanese type. The lesser is more. Parang gano'n yung peg. Yes, minimalist and wood. So si VLT naman is farmhouse. Yung theme niya. And loft type siya. So may ibaba, may taas. Yan. High ceiling din siya. Kaya makikita niya medyo concrete yung design, tapos may mga wood. The other room naman, which is the Bohemian.
Bohemian. I think that's one of my favorite para sa akin.
Pero rin, yung mga may bisita, lalo na yung mga oldies, fan sila ng Ratan. So, yung theme naman nun is Bohemian, so freshy. If you'll notice, nandun yung mga macrame na design, tapos yung sunburst na uso.
So, when you were conceptualizing the place, no? Sino yung naiisip niyong titira doon?
Most likely dahil we're near the hospital. So, ang target namin is professionals. Doctors, nurses, ganyan. Yun nga lang, pandemic. So, we're hoping na we're going to open it as Airbnb for professionals who tends to stay in for a short period of time.
Yes.
Lalo na may mga on-call tayong doctor. So, yan, pwede sila dyan. Although, pwede rin siya for long term. So, depende na lang sa usapan namin ng project.
Okay.
So actually maganda nga siya sa feeling ko sa mga bachelors, sa mga startup family, yung mga ibang theme.
Yung mga couple na
couple.
Try out na kami na ba? Range natin is 10K to 15K.
Imagine that!
Per month.
Per month.
Per month already.
Nasa gitna ka ng Angeles. So feeling ko napaka
accessible mo to other facilities.
And mura na yun.
Yep. Ako, personal take no, when you go here, it has a parang communal space there when parang pagising nyo. Oh, nandiyan ko pala. Parang gano'n, no?
Makikita mo yung mga kapitbahay mo.
And at the same time, each room has kompleto na yung necessities. So you got your sink, your toilet and bath. Yung kailangan mo lang talaga just a place for you to rest. Quick stay parang ngayon dito sa Angeles City.
Speaking of resting, syempre mag-chill din kayo paminsan-minsan. So nandito tayo ngayon sa 212 Studio Hub and Kalayaan.
So right now you have 4 flavors for the coffee.
Yes, kaya 4 flavors, very intimate lang muna for starters. So yun, very customized din.
Yes? So what is this, ma'am?
That is the hardworking dirty horchata.
Hardworking dirty horchata?
Yes.
Sure.
Yung hardworking dirty horchata kasi medyo mahaba yung preparation niya compared dun sa other. Milk carajillo, fearless. Something about it is may brandy siya. Kaya kailangan siya, kaya siya fearless.
Yes. Parang siya, coffee and a shot.
And this one, the safest. In the basic, the latte, the peaceful latte. Kapag gusto mo simpleng tao pa lang, gusto mo lang ng kape, this is good for you. And the last one is the caramel.
Yes.
Yun, yung,
very generic kumbaga. I mean, you don't have to think.
Caramel. Yeah. Madalas ito yung mga in-order ng mga newbies dito.
In terms of other businesses po na nandito, so you have your creatives. Tell us more about it. How can they contact you po?
Malaya Creatives, you can follow Malaya Creatives for my photo and video services for your weddings, events, corporates, yun. Tapos doon sa mga printings naman namin, the invitation and calling cards, Artmarque. Okay, then this one, yun, meron din page na 212 coffee, Studio Hub plus coffee, then Tierra Javier for the apartment.
Yes, okay. So additionally, available yung Buko ni Mang Temy.
Yes.
Buko, sino si Mang Temy?
That's my dad. Bread and butter kasi namin yung coconut and buko dealing. So na-realize ko, ba't hindi ko na lang lagay sa bote? So wala yan, as in purely shell to ano yan, shell to bottle. Ganun siya. Wala siyang preservatives, walang sugar at all.
So parang intake ka agad.
Take lang agad. So everything here,
Yes.
the apartment, start from Buko.
Wow.
So ganun yung story. Kaya hindi ko siya pwedeng ikot. For the photo shoot, in case you're going to book the whole place, for whole studio, 23 square meter studio. Kasama na yung mga backdrop and yung mga softbox kit. It's open for whole day, Wednesday. Tapos every morning ng weekdays ng 8 to 2. Okay? Then kapag coffee stay naman tayo, weekdays naman, yan. Coffee stay tayo is 3 o'clock hanggang 8 p.m. weekdays. Tapos 10 to 10 tayo ng weekends. Nilas na mark is, yan, Ospital ning and the TSB pool.
TSB.
Yan.
Wow! Guys, if you got interested with this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more information and inquiries, leave them at the comment section po.
So this is another place for you to chill out. O kaya yung mga pwede nyong pagstayan or gawin yung mga hobby nyo as a photographer. Pwede rin dito.
Again guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and stay safe. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Peace out guys. Bye.